Hello, 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 and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Beverly Lucas, and I'm the host of For the Love of Cooking Fridays. What do I do on Fridays? I try to show you how to make a meal at home that is always better than the restaurant. It is always better than the restaurant. I've been focusing on salads a little bit because the summer has been so hot. So I found a recipe for this, I think just this terrific salad, and it has plenty of ingredients, but it is very, very nutritional and has a lot of flavor. So let me introduce my ingredients to you. The star of this is green beans. So these are fresh green beans, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to blanch. When you blanch any type of vegetable, you're just putting it in water, hot boiling water, for about 3 minutes, and then you have to put it into an ice bath. We also have, for the salad, we have some small tomatoes, and what I did was I cooked these for about 20 minutes, and we're going to be dicing those or putting those in quarters. We have some Kalamata olives for the briny taste, or the briny flavor, I should say. I have some radishes. If you know me, I just love radishes, and I try to include radishes in all my salads, but this recipe just happened to have radishes. We also, for our protein, we have some hard-boiled eggs. We have, the recipe said to use shallots, but I am using some red onions. We have lemon, so we're going to be using the lemon zest, and we're going to be using the lemon juice. We have some honey for the sweetness. We have some dill for freshness. We have some Dijon mustard for the tanginess of the salad. We have some cherry tomatoes, and I have to tell you, these are my own cherry tomatoes from my garden, so I'm excited about that whenever I get to use my ingredients. We have some capers. I love capers, and we're gonna fry these capers, and that's gonna give it a crunch for the salad. And of course, we have our olive oil, we have some salt and pepper, and I am going to turn on my water for my green beans. I'm going to put my timer on for 3 minutes, and we are gonna get this started. Are you with me? Are you really with me? Come on with me. Okay, so my water is boiling. I have my green beans here. Also, I put in here 1 chicken bouillon cube. So we're gonna put these in. And it's only about a cup of water. And when it's done, I have my bowl of ice. So we're gonna put them in there. I have my lemon here. And what I was doing is using my zester right on my board. And this is going to be for the dressing. I have also chopped up my radishes, so they look like this. Okay, so my timer has gone off for my 3 minutes for my green beans. I'm gonna take them off the stove, and I'm gonna put them in this ice. Oh, I forgot to turn the timer off. I use the timer for everything because when you're doing many things in the kitchen and you have many things going on as you prepare, you can lose track of time easily. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let these sit in this ice until they stop cooking. In the meantime, I have also chopped up my onions here. I have my lemon, so I need the juice from the lemon. I'm gonna get the juice out of here. Then I'll take the seeds out. Come on, lemon. This is going to be used for the dressing. I also have here my lemon zest. I should have zested it in the bowl. I don't know why I didn't do that. Okay, now let's make our dressing. So I have my lemon zest and my red onions. And I realized that this is a lot of onions, so I'm not going to use them all. Okay, we have our onions. We have our lemon juice from 1 lemon. We're going to do about a tablespoon of honey, and I'm just going to eye it. I'm gonna do 1/8 of salt, 1/8 of a teaspoon. Then we're gonna do 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. So I added the salt, the pepper. I added about 2 tablespoons of some honey, a tablespoon of some Dijon mustard, and half of the dill that we're using. I have also am preparing my pan with about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and we're going to cook the capers. I have 1/4 cup of capers here, and I have rinsed them off and drained them. Also to this, I added slowly some olive oil. I thought I was taping, but I didn't press play. So that's why you didn't see those steps. Okay, so this is our olive oil, and it is heated. And what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take these capers, like this. It just says to swirl them around until they burst. So that's what we're gonna do. I've never cooked capers before. Looks like this. So we're gonna wait for, oh, I can smell them though. Okay, they are starting to burst. And you can definitely smell the brininess. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes. So what we're gonna do now is we're just gonna take these out, put them on a paper towel, and we're gonna let them drain and let them cool. Okay, so now this is the best part. We have our green beans that we blanched. Look how beautifully green those are. And what we're gonna do is I'm making 2 salads. It's early in the morning and I'm going to work. So I am making these salad for myself and a co-worker. We're just gonna split those in half. I say a co-worker, but it's really my boss. She loves the way I cook, so that's what that looks like. Now we have our radishes. And I'm gonna make it look kind of like how you do a Cobb salad, that everything goes in its place. She loves radishes also. We have our potatoes, which I have cut in half. And I'm just gonna nestle them in here. And what I'm doing too is I'm paying attention to texture and I'm paying attention to color. Let's see, that's 4 and 4. Then we have our hard-boiled eggs. And we're gonna put those, oh, I'm gonna put those on this, no, let's put those right there. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay, so far we're looking like this. Now I have my tomatoes, which most of them I cut in half. And we're gonna put half here and the other half here. Again, paying attention to the colors. This is a beautiful, it is a beautiful salad. And it's different. It is definitely different. I have my Kalamata olives. We're gonna put that right in the center there, right in the center there. This is gonna be a good, very good lunch. A very nutritious lunch. See if our capers are done. And I'm gonna take them and I'm just going to sprinkle them around. Some of them are crispy, some of them are not. I don't think that matters. And then lastly, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to pour the dressing. Maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe not pour the dressing. Maybe I should put the dressing in some condiment cups. Put it in the salad. Like this. Last ingredient is the dill. Some leftover dill. just for presentation, because we eat with our five senses. We see, we smell, we hear, then we taste. And here it is. I call this the goddess salad. Look at that. Nutritional, flavorful, delicious. Thank you so much for joining me today on For the Love of Cooking Fridays. Again, my name is Beverly Lucas, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, why not just subscribe? It just takes a second. Just subscribe, and then you will receive notifications every time a new video is launched. You make any of the recipes, please take a picture and send it to me. I would love to see what you do with my recipes. Again, I'll see you again on next Friday. This is Beverly Lucas, and I am signing off.